everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's that Crafty Bonbons box share again. So here we are. I can't even remember what the theme is, but we shall soon find out. So I've just opened it up because my dress is on the front of the box. So this is what it looks like. I haven't really opened it. So first thing you see is this die cut, or is it a sticker? Yeah, so it's a die cut. It's like, I think this is more like celestial type thing. We shall see. That's really pretty. Right, so excited. Ooh, let's just get some scissors. Oh my lord. Yeah, I think it's like blue and celestial and all that. Or is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, there's a thank you card from Crafty Bonbons. And it just gives you the details about the box. It's a monthly box, and the Crafty Bonbons Facebook group. You can you'll be able to see discounts, giveaways, and sneak peeks of the upcoming upcoming box, and also just to let you know that it's a collaboration between Craftyali and Bonbonskawaii on Etsy, and they, well, say no more. You've seen it month per month what the box entails. So when you buy the box, and on your 8th box you will be given a free gift as your loyalty. It's either, I think it's now like voucher, but you'll have something back basically. So what a great box. They've started doing self-adhesive vinyl as well, so they give instructions for that, and my goodness, that is nice. Oh, lovely. That is cool. I think it's celestial or moon or something like that. This is the theme. It's really pretty. So in your box, if you pre-ordered, you'll get something personalized. So in my case, I've got this personalized key ring with my initial on it. Oh, you also get a roll of washi tape, and that's really pretty cool. Hope you can see it. It's like woodland trees and stuff. Then you get a pen. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm sure this is a black. Oh. Yeah, black ink. That is so pretty. Then you get a charm. Oh my goodness, love this. And then you get some, I think these stickers. It looks like stickers. Feels like stickers. We shall see. Oh, yes, see these stickers. So yeah, it's like moon or oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. And clouds. Oh, that's brilliant. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that's really cute. Okay. Okay, so put that inside, and I always ask for an A, not always, but I have asked for an A5 traveler's notebook insert for this month, because next year, I might have said this before, but next year I want to use my Crafty Bonbons TN inserts as my planner / journal and use my TN more. And then you get a packet of sequins, very pretty. You get a packet of ephemera or die cuts. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, lovely. There you go. Oh, wow. Oh. Stars and banners. Yeah, I think this is stars and celestial and all that. That is so cool. I like that. Oh my goodness. So you get a nice packet of them. Oh, there's a star there that's been left behind. Right, let's put that to one side first. You get an envelope of, oh, die cuts. Yeah. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. That is so beautiful. Another packet of bits and bobs. I think it's like an enchanted forest type thing. I think. Oh, you get a few buttons, ribbon, blue rosettes or roses, and blue and silver, like blue, gold, and silver cap. It just feels like it's like a enchanted kind of like forest themed. Get a packet of floral die cuts. I think this is like poppy. This is good for November because this is obviously November is Remembrance Day, so you get a good packet of, there's some leaves in there, but a good packet of poppy flowers. There you go. That is so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, so you get a good amount of poppies. Right, that's that one. And then you get some, I think these are like lead seals or something, like they're square stickers. And then you get postcards, journal cards. Right, let's put that. So you get this. The nights are drawing in. I don't know. I think it's like celestial, enchanted evening kind of thing. That is so pretty. A nip in the air. There is indeed a nip in the air. Oh my god, that's beautiful. And then you get postcards. Oh, to the moon and back. Oh, that's pretty pretty. Oh, is this a starry night? It's either enchanted forest or starry night. I don't know, but it's beautiful. I was just so excited to just open this, and I just like forgot about everything. I'm really sorry, Ali and Debbie, but it is beautiful. I'm just showing it to the world, but you can see, guys, how pretty it is. And then you get, I think this is like foam stickers, and then some this is again stickers, but I think this is like the envelope, kind of like a dress label type thing. Don't know whether it's like that or like that, but it's either way, it's gorgeous. So you get 4 of them, and you then get these lovely stickers. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I don't think this will fit in my TN, because if it does, I could have like, oh, that would be nice. Oh, that's pretty. Then you've got these stars, like celestial or moon faces or sun stickers. Then you get a letter set, like a letter paper. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. And then you've got your 2022 calendar. Oh my god, that's pretty. Oh my lovely, my goodness. I know what to do with this. If I'm setting up my planner, that could be the front bit, can't it? And then at the back, I'm gonna do something with it. And then the best of them all is this lovely cardstock or papers. So that's one-sided. It's like obviously a poppy cardstock, so you can see how thick they are. Oh, this one's nice. That is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this one. Oh. And a blue cardstock. Oh my goodness. So that's it, guys. That's the November Crafty Bonbons box. As I said, I'll put the definitive theme on the description box. I'm really sorry. My brain is just not functioning right now. And I can't remember things to save my life, so I'll put it all in the description box. Do visit their shops, and do go to the Facebook groups. There's lots of things going on there. You can get some of the items, you know, they've got bargain boxes, they've got giveaways and stuff. And it'd be nice to kind of like see how, you know, if you do purchase, it would be like nice to see how you use the contents of your box. I have a project now in mind using this box. So I showed you something from last time, and I want to show you something using this month's box. But yeah, that will be for the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do give me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Please, you know, a lovely comment down below whether what aspects of this box you like, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.